everyone, welcome to this wonderful platform. Today we are going to talk about Mercury transit in Gemini and it being retrograde. So would you like to talk about Mercury?
Yes, Mercury is a planet of communication. It denotes your conduct and the way you communicate with people around you. Mercury naturally rules the sign of Gemini and the sign of Virgo, which denotes practical behavior, calculations, mathematics. It denotes trade and commerce, and also your decision making is dependent on Mercury. Mercury also relates to the speed of things. All the businesses, all the trades are directly related to Mercury or Buddhan, which
Right.
also denotes your intellect, your intellectual ability.
So Mercury has entered its own sign, air sign of Gemini on 26th of May of 2021 and it is going to remain in this sign till the 3rd of June. And this planet is going to get retrograde again in Gemini itself on 30th of May and it will be retrograde till the 23rd of June. So Mercury is going to remain most of the time in Gemini, it is going to remain retrograde. So when Mercury becomes retrograde over here, it leads to reanalyzing of things which are related to Mercury planet. So anything you would like to add?
Yes, Mercury denotes trade and commerce, your communication. It is a time when you have to watch out for your words, that what
Right,
you speak.
right.
It is a time to maintain the balance in your communication.
Right.
It is a time when your relations with the people around will be of prime focus. And when it is in the sign of Gemini, it is a good time to research or to dive deep into the things, as this Mercury is into the nakshatra of Mrigashira, which is also a searching star denoting alluring things. And yes, Saloni.
Yeah, because Mercury is going to be retrograde very soon, so it represents fake newses, fake advertisements, because Mercury is all about communication, broadcasting of information. So one needs to be very careful and to filter out these things. And Mercury also represents our friend circle, and in the nakshatra of Mrigashira, which is a nakshatra of, you can say, a nakshatra which represents fake intentions, some sort of fakeness that is involved, but the real intention is something else. So in this time period, you should just be connected more with your core circle right now. And because of this retrograde planet, as you said earlier, that retrograde means you have to concentrate more on your communication skills, because retrograde planet gives sudden impulse to express yourself. Whenever Mercury becomes retrograde, one has to be very careful with the contracts also, right?
Yes, and it also tells about that while signing the contracts, understand deep in between the lines, and also you can be in a hurry to go through the things, because retrogression quite gives quite an impulsive, activates the quite an impulsive side of yours, and you people can be in a hurry to go through your things. And in this time period, utilize that energy into research work, into moving forward into the direction of your learning new things, and also utilizing this time period for writing down the things. And this is a good time to learn and be expressive, and with expression I mean through your writings, through your communication in a right way in this time period. Yes, Saloni.
And with this Mercury being in its own sign in this nakshatra of Mrigashira, as Shivam said, that it is a nakshatra of research. So in this time period, if you are thinking of starting a new business venture, it is a good time to do research related to that, or do research related to different diverse subjects which are out of the box, or to write blogs or something which relates to any liberal or unique trending content.
Yes, and also those of you who are looking for investments, who are going for businesses and or putting their money into stocks and cryptocurrencies, be very conscious in this time period. And people naturally having Mercury retrograde at the right placements. With that, I mean into the right friendly sign, into the right kind of nakshatra, having good aspects, right? When you have complete understanding of your birth chart, or you can simply see that if the Mercury is placing in the air placements, for you it will be a good time for progress. But otherwise, while before investing, put do your own research and do not depend on the people around you for your investment or the other things, because it is coming in the natural sign of Gemini. It also denotes speaking and hearsay, that what you listen around, the words being murmured around, and you may take decisions according to it without going for a deeper research, because of which you may experience losses afterwards.
Yes, and the sign of Gemini also represents gossiping about someone or something like that. So it is very important in this time period to stay away from controversies. And it is important for us to keep a check upon our words, to think before saying anything. So that is the advice that this retrograde planet is going to give us.
Yes, and when it will go into the sign of Taurus through its retrogression, I would say that it will activate more of your practical side, and you have to watch out that it does
Right.
not increase your wants, right? That you stay grounded, you stay practical, and you are doing your work, and it does not activates your want of more and more, the greed in you, because Mercury, when it comes to the sign of Taurus, it's a friendly sign, yes, but Rahu, that is the north node, is also sitting there, and Mercury is looking up to the Rahu in the retrogression. So all the things, professions related to the virtual world, IT, or the profession related to speculations, gambling, or the profession related to your, I would say that because it's the sign of Taurus and Nakshatra of Rohini, a profession related to presentations of things, they will
Right.
expand, and people working in marketing sectors, it will be a good time for them to sell the products. And you will see that most of the launches done by bigger companies, bigger brands, they sales and launches of their high end products are done during the Mercury retrograde, because we are more willing to spend the money, we are more willing to throw away our money
Right.
in this time period.
And also with Mercury in Mrigashira, because Mrigashira is also a nakshatra of storytelling, a nakshatra which depicts narration of anything or role playing. So Mercury being placed in Mrigashira is very good for people who are in performing arts or people who are into some sort of narration, whether it be narration through your poems, through your writings, or by making video or vlogging. So they are going to have some profits in this time period, especially because Rahu is also very strongly placed.
Yes, and most importantly, this Mercury is definitely affecting the sign of Gemini, but through its seventh aspect, to the sign of Sagittarius, it is providing it with quite a lot of help and right kind of direction. So these people can receive certain kind of good advices or direction through their siblings or their friends or the people
Right.
around them. For the Sagittarius sign I'm talking about, right? And for the earth sign, it will improve their logical and intellect ability. So be very logical, be very intellectual. And what are the earth signs? Sign of Taurus, sign of Virgo, and the sign of Capricorn, if you have strong placements in that. And for you, it will be a time of improvement, and you can certainly have gains in this time period. But be very sure that you take your decisions with all the assessments. And for the marketing thing, it is a good time for all you people in this time.
Right. And because of this placement of Mercury and it being retrograde, it is very important for us to keep a check on our expenditure in this time period, especially for people who are already addicted to online shoppings or such things. They should keep a check on themselves,
Very
because
true.
Mercury represents the financial management of a person.
Yes.
So I hope you liked this video about Mercury in Gemini and being retrograde. If you liked it, then do hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.